that. And also we talk about a lot about item 1, item 1A, item 7, and other sessions. So I want you guys to know what is item 1, right? Item 1 is product description. What is item 1A? It's risk disclosure. What is item 7? It's a discussion about everything. So you should be able to understand the content of the 10K, and more important, how exactly we use the data. Like for item 1, we use the item 1 to calculate product similarity between any two firms. What's the implication of that? Implication of that is you can measure firm competition. You can measure whether two firms are merge and acquire each other. Do they have product synergy, or do they have product complementarity? So that's one way to analyze the 10K item 1. Item 1A, I also mentioned about different ways to analyze item 1A. We talk about we can identify the risk in advance, predict the future risk. We say about the bank risk. So for item 7, we also talk about different ways to analyze item 7. One way we do item 7 is you can see whether investors are too lazy to see the changes between the last year item 7 and this year's item 7. We testing whether lazy investors, lazy price, or we tested if it's lazy managers. Do manager actually update the item 7 frequently compared to last year in the this year report? Sometimes if they don't update the contents in a significant way, they may hide some information, or they may too lazy to do so. So we have different stuff to data analytics on item 1, item 1A, and item 7. So basically the idea here is how to use the information to help investors, how to use the information to help managers. And we talk about example like machine readers. Like we have machine readers about the 10K annual report. We got human readers about the report, and we discussed about what we discussed about is when machines are reading the annual report, how do managers respond to machines? So basically. Before, when Shirley and Luo are reading the annual report, managers want you guys make you guys happy. But now machines are reading these report and trade on it. How managers make machines algorithm happy. So this is different story in the age of AI. So we talk about this kind of how we analyze 10K and annual report for managers and for the investors.